a number of times in the last 6 to 8 years, 10 years. And there are a few things that I would like to share with you all, which really, I think there's a lot of potential. First, I feel that audiences in China, the cultural, flavor in China, the emotions of the people in China, they're very similar to the emotions of Indians. So the Chinese audience reacts in a very similar way to content the way that Indian. That's what my experience was when I was watching, a number of my films in the screen in China, and the audience was reacting to Dangal, let's say. There was absolutely no difference between an Indian audience reacting to the film and a Chinese audience reacting. It was almost identical, the reaction. So I feel that there is a lot of scope and potential for a number of reasons. One, I think India has a very vibrant creative community, and so does China. China has got amazing creative people. I've been to China a number of times. I've seen their live events as well, and I've seen their movies. Their standard of their work is clearly world class. And I think that itself is a great opportunity for India and China to collaborate and work together. I think that whether it's creatively, whether it's on an emotional level, or whether it's even from a business perspective, I think it is only a win-win if we collaborate with China. And in fact, over the years, I have been in discussions with my friends from China, and we have often explored the possibility. But now with waves coming in, I think it will give a further drive towards that. I mean, if you look at a film, Indo-Chinese film, if you have a star from China and you have a star from India, that's roughly half the population of the earth, if you know what I mean. So you have a huge audience already over there. And both India and China have they're very ancient civilizations with a lot of history to them. Both India and China are very ancient civilizations. So I think there's a lot that both of these countries and cultures can offer each other. And I really look forward to a collaboration with talent from China.
Prasad, would you like to talk about